Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Here you need to click on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Lastly, choose Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. When you're ready, choose Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!